Seabird 198, one localizer established, descend RF.
One reception localizer, descend RF,
Seabird 198, could you give me a wind check, please?
showing 240.
Direct to Mowgli, then Mammal. Mowgli, Mammal, ran into vehicle Fox.
Hi, my name is Chris. I'm the first officer on the flight 7078 from Oakland, San Francisco towards Rome, Fiumicino. We are now 8 hours 51 minutes into the flight. We have crossed the ocean and are just now overhead London, basically. Just passing Gatwick on the right hand side, and we're gonna cross the channel later on and then just fly just north of Paris. And we are on our way down towards Rome. It will go a little bit of zigzag over France and then start our descent down towards Rome. We started off with 57 tons of fuel, and 57.7 tons of fuel, and now we have 12.7 tons remaining. The outside temperature at the moment is 64 degrees, and because of the carbon fiber wing, after 8 hours 52 minutes, the fuel temperature in the wing is just 5 degrees, which is really amazing for the 787 Dreamliner. It's a really nice aircraft to fly. I think everybody agrees with me, because the cabin pressure is much better. It's less dry. It's not that dry as the older aircraft that we have. It's still dry air, but it's less dry now. So it prevents a little bit of jet lag. Of course, you can have a bit of jet lag because the time difference from where I live in Sweden to San Francisco is 9 hours. So the west coast is a little bit exhausting, but the aircraft helps you a lot to with a jet lag. For me, I flew the 737 before, which is a big difference, both in size and yeah, of course the system as well. Here everything is automized and big screens, and the computers are really good at what they're doing in this aircraft. So the technology has come really far. I've been on the Dreamliner now for almost 1.5 years in Norwegian, and it's always been my goal to end up on a bigger aircraft. So now we are entering the channel and we'll start talk to France. So we are just over the channel right now at the moment between UK and France, and as you can see, the coast of France and all the way down is Normandy. And the weather is pretty good on the French coast. It was really cloudy overhead UK, but the weather starts to get a little bit better now.
So we have planned our top of descent in about 100 miles, shortly after Tinku, where we are proceeding direct. We have requested the weather. Weather is pretty good, calm winds, cavalcade, temperatures 26 degrees. So really nice weather for landing. We are expecting runway 16 right, or we are planning on it. Right now they're landing to the south. No NOTAMs affecting us operationally speaking. As far as aircraft, the only issue we have is the brake system 4 is deactivated, and that's taking into account on the performance of the electronic flight bag. Okay. Threat and error management here, high terrain, so you're keeping terrain on your side. I'll keep weather on mine. And the normal thing is, even this RNAV is quite long, most likely they will cut us short, so we have to be heads up that we might have to descend a little bit faster to meet the altitudes into the runway. Okay. So, starting with our descent, we are expecting arrival civil to Alpha. And I read through the FMC, and if you follow on the appropriate page on the electronic flight bag, I have a civil, the first constraint 270 knots. Then we'll proceed to IPLEC, then GoPol, and at GoPol 250 knots, flight level 170 below, flight level 150 or above. GIGSOM, speed 230 knots. U0, 220 knots. GIPAP, 220 knots. Flight level 110 below, flight level 090 or above. Then we start.
North Shuttle 7078, descend 6,000 feet, 1016.
On the 6,000, 1016, North Shuttle 7078.
6,000 feet set.
6,000, 1016 to 20,500. Descending
Alright, we're ready on the speed 240 and
and
continue down, so we're just slightly above 1.5. He's doing his job.
Yes, look
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
We have plenty of time.
10,000
Ernest 238, descend 3,000 feet, clear for the LS Whiskey 16 left.
3000 ILS Whiskey 16 left, Ernest 238, grazie mille.
North Trans 4 Hotel Juliet, Roma.
North Trans 4 Hotel Juliet with you now, sir. Climbing flight level 80 Celsius.
North Trans 4 Hotel Juliet, climb level
Speed
200,
fast.
buon pomeriggio.
200, buon pomeriggio.
All'Italia 2049, descend level 90.
390 to 049.
Ryanair 79 Quebec X-ray, on convenience to Urbeck, clear for the 015, report established.
We will continue on the runway Alpha 407, Ryanair 7 and Quebec X-ray.
Roger.
And we are close for the area approach, Ryanair 7 and Quebec X-ray.
India Foxtrot Lima Lima is identified.
Thank you.
All'Italia 74 Fox, contact 124.2, ciao.
1242 all'Italia, 74 Fox.
So Subwalk is 200 knots.
North Shuttle 7078, clear
Sorry?
for the approach via Suwok.
Second, please.
You are clear for the LS Whiskey 16 left via Suwok.
Okay, Zubok, Whiskey 16 left, North Shuttle 70178.
So, Alice Whiskey 16 left as inserted.
Full established ILS Whiskey 16 left.
Ernest 238, 11 miles to run, number 1, tower 127625, ciao.
Gonna start slowing down shortly.
Yeah.
Ernest 238, number 1, tower 127625, ciao.
127625, ciao, grazie mille.
Italia 2049, 6,000 feet, 1015.
601015 to 049.
Roma, buongiorno, Italia 4 Tango Echo.
All'Italia Fort Tango Eco, buongiorno. Proceed is clear, expect LS Whiskey 16 left, descend level 980, expect to shorten after 12.
Flaps.
After 12 short, confirm and descending 990, 60 left to Whiskey approach, Italia 4 Tango Echo.
Vueling 6270, climb level 200.
Climb level 200, with a 200.
All'Italia 16 my Delta, contact 124.2, ciao.
1242 all'Italia, 16 Mike Delta, ciao.
Now use the speed flex to slow down and then we can go with flaps 5 smoothly down.
Ryanair for Whiskey, climb level 260.
Confirm 260.
Hey, firm, Ryanair for Whiskey, climb level 260.
Climb level 260, Ryanair for Whiskey, thank you.
Ryanair 79 Quebec X-ray, 7 miles, 8 miles to run, number 1, tower 1205, ciao.
1205, thank you very much, bye-bye, Ryanair
Approach
7 and
arms.
Quebec X-ray.
Checked. Localizer glass confirmed.
North Trans 4 Hotel Juliet, climb level 240.
Flight 340, North Trans 4 Hotel
So going
Juliet.
2,500.
Checked. And our shuttle 7078, just a confirmation we're cleared by the last approach, 16 left.
Yeah, stay firm. Clear full LS whiskey, 16 left, VS2, so you may descend 3,000 feet and stand at.
Roger, standing 3000.
3,000, sir.
Checked.
Boeing 6270, climb level 220.
Climb level 220, running 6270.
Alitalia 2049, your proceeding is a heavy. You may proceed to Suvok, but speed 220 knots.
Speed 220 to Suvok, 2049.
2049, correct. Descend 4,000 feet.
Descending 4,000, 2049.
Ryanair for whiskey, contact 124.2, ciao.
1,000 level.
For whiskey, ciao, grazie. North 4 del Juliet, contact 1242, ciao.
1342, North Trans 442,
124.2.
124.2.
This is my plane. Vina 40 jets.
Check.
Cabin ready.
Cabin ready.
Waiting 6270, contact 124.2, ciao.
142, running 6270, roger.
Alitalia Port Tango Echo, descend 6,000 feet, 1015.
Descending 6,000 feet, okay, nature 1015.
Localizer.
Alitalia Port Tango Echo.
Alitalia 2049, west of the field, now at your 1 o'clock, range about 15 miles over Urbana area.
Flaps
Military
15.
exercise.
Sorry?
Expect
Flaps
VFR
15.
activity at low altitude on your right without Charlie indications.
Copy, thank you. We have
Right slope.
Check.
No shuttle 7078, 9 air miles to run, number 1, confirm established.
VS, average, no shuttle 7078.
Shuttle 7078, tower 127625, ciao.
127,625, bye-bye. Machine after on Nova Shuttle 7078 heavy, established 16 left.
Gear down, flaps 20.
078, Fiume 8 miles, threshold 16 left, Fiumicino is 1015, wind 2808 knots, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 16 left, Nova Shuttle 7078.
Contact.
Checked.
Sit the cabin crew.
Yep, sorry.
Flaps 25. Flaps 30. Landing checklist.
Landing checklist. Stabilized.
Check.
Cabin crew is given, landing checklist complete.
Checklist complete.
Thank you so much.
Autopilot off.
Checked.
Check.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Contact.
Speed brakes up to reverses normal. Eighty knots.
Speed brakes stowed. First reverse stowed.
60 knots.
Manual brakes.
Buongiorno, Ali 2049.
My controls.
9 miles established.
Yeah, control.
My controls.
2049, airline threshold 16 left. Standard 1.
Delta, Hotel Delta, stand, again, standby.
Standard 1, procedure, do you know?
Yes, Delta and then Echo Golf, all short. No shuttle, 707.
Ranger 78, correct. All short Echo Golf. And during taxi, monitor ground 1219.
119, monitoring ground.
So, Delta Hotel, then down the runway to Delta, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Delta and then all short.
Okay.
Ground Boeing 61 Whiskey Kilo, stand 502 to Barcelona, is ready for stand push.
61 Whiskey Kilo, 502, push approved.
Push approved, Boeing 61 Whiskey Kilo.
Going 2,500.
Checked. And our shuttle 7078, just for confirmation, vacate by the last approach, 16 left.
Yes, stay firm. Clear full LS Whiskey 16 left, via 2, so you made it 3,000 feet and standard.
Roger. Standing 3,000.
3,000, sir.
Checked.
Boeing 6270, climb level 220.
Climb level 220, running 6270.
Alitalia 2049, your proceeding is a heavy. You may proceed to Suvok, but speed 220 knots.
Speed 220 to Suvok, 2049.
2049, correct. Descend 4,000 feet.
Descending 4,000, 2049.
Ryanair for Whiskey, contact 124.2, ciao.
1242, Ryanair for Whiskey, ciao.
Nortrans 4 del Juliet, contact 1242, ciao.
1242, North Trans 442.
124.2.
124.2.
This is my plane. Vina 40 jets.
Check.
Cabin ready.
Cabin ready.
Waiting 6270, contact 124.2, ciao.
124, running 6270, right?
Alitalia Port Tango Echo, descend 6,000 feet, 1015.
Descending 6,000 feet of nature 1015.
Localizer.
Alitalia Port Tango Echo.
Alitalia 2049, west of the field, now at your 1 o'clock, range about 15 miles over Urbana area.
Flaps
Military
15.
exercise.
Sorry?
Expect
Flaps
VFR
15.
activity at low altitude on your right without Charlie indications.
Copy, thank you. We have
Right slope.
Check.
No shuttle 7078, 9 air miles to run, number 1, confirm established.
Via established, no shuttle 7078.
Shuttle 7078, the tower 127625, ciao.
127625, bye-bye. Fiumicino, good afternoon, no shuttle 7078 heavy, established 16 left.
Gear down, flaps 20.
078, Fiume, 8 miles, threshold 16 left, which is 1015, wind 2808 knots, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 16 left, no shuttle 7078.
Contact.
Checked.
Sit the cabin crew.
Yep, sorry.
Flaps 25. Flaps 30. Landing checklist.
Landing checklist.
1000.
Stabilized.
Check.
Cabin crew is given. Landing checklist complete.
Checklist complete.
Thank you so much.
Autopilot off.
Checked.
Check.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Contact.
Speed brakes up to the versus number. Eighty knots.
Speed brakes stowed. First reverse stowed.
60 knots.
Manual brakes.
Buongiorno, Ali 2049,
My controls.
9 miles to stop.
Hotel Delta, standard 1.
Delta, Hotel Delta, stand, standby.
Standard 1, procedure, do you know?
Yes, Delta and then Echo Golf, Old Short. No shuttle, 707.
Ranger 78, correct. All short Echo Golf. And during taxi, monitor ground 1219.
119, monitoring ground.
So, Delta Hotel, then down the runway to Delta, yeah? Yeah.
Delta and then Old Short.
Okay.
Fiume ground, Boeing 61 Whiskey Kilo, stand 502 to Barcelona, is ready for stand push.
61 Whiskey Kilo, 502, push approved.
Push approved, Boeing 61 Whiskey Kilo.
Checked.
Shuttle 7078, you may continue by Hotel Sierra Mike Zulu.
Hotel Sierra Mike Zulu for stand 704 North, shuttle 7078.
Ground Santurk 76 Romeo, ready for taxi.
Santurk 76 Romeo, taxi 25 via Victor Alpha Bravo, behind the blue air on your left.
25 via Victor Alpha Bravo Santurk, and behind the blue air Santurk 76 Bravo. Boeing 6592, request taxi.
6592, taxi in point 25, Yankee Alpha and Bravo.
Yankee Alpha Bravo, holding point 25, Boeing 6295.
Siberia 626.
626 today, ready for push?
Affirmative, ready for pushback and start up Siberia 626.
626, pushback approved.
So, left here. Sierra Mike Zulu. Hotel Sierra Mike Zulu, he said. Yeah, left here, then right.
Italian 12, continue on Bravo to Bravo Alpha, standby tower 1187, ciao.
Standing by 7 to Bravo Alpha 125, Italian. Left is clear.
Calling 154 Juliet, ready for push?
Okay, 154 Juliet.
Firm, ready for push?
We need 1 minute, call you back, Boeing 154 Juliet.
Touch.
Lights off, please. Lights off, please. Lights off, please.
Turk 76 Romeo, continuum Bravo to Bravo Alpha, standby tower 1187, ciao.
Bravo to Bravo Alpha, standby on tower frequency 1187, Soundtrack 76 Romeo, arrivederci.
Oh.
Boeing 154 Juliet, request pushback.
Welling 154 Juliet, pushback approved.
Pushback is approved, Boeing 154 Juliet.
So, APU is running.